Hi guys, this is Vishal from DrapCode. So in this video, we will understand how to generate your UI of any application you're building using AI. So in this example, we'll be using a screenshot or some reference. So let's say you've seen some application and you like some pricing page or maybe some dashboard, some onboarding form, and you want to build the UI of your application using that design, and then you want to refine it later. So let's see how that can be done. So here in DrapCode, we have this concept of AI LLMs. You can integrate anyone which you want. So for that, you just go to the app settings, and here it's AI models. So you can configure any model of your choice. So OpenAI, Anthropic, Claude, DeepSeek, and we are adding a lot more, right? So as of now, Claude is here. So let's try with Claude. So what I'll do, I'll just go and get the API key for this, right? So I have Anthropic account. I just go and then create a key. So let's say default workspace, let's say test key. I just copy key. So in DrapCode, you use your own key so that you can use as much as you want. We don't charge you for the usage of the AI. So you bring your own key and then you have unlimited use. And I'll just paste the key. I can choose the model. So I just keep it shown at latest, temperature, sampling, and enable AI. Right? So this we need to enable to make sure that this feature is available across the DrapCode builder, right? So you can create collections, you can create UI, you can create API. So we are adding capabilities where you can actually build a full-fledged application by just command prompts, right? So let's go and to the page. Say I have this dashboard page, which is as of now blank. Okay. So now let's say I want to build a healthcare EMR dashboard here, and I want to build some design maybe with some reference. So let's go and search for EMR dashboard, and then I go to images, and there are like so many of these. So let's choose. Let's say I like this one. Okay. So what we do, we open this image. Okay, let's say I want to build something like this. This looks nice. I can save image. Okay, let's say I save this image. That's all. I want to my dashboard to build something like this. Now what I'll go back to the builder. In the component, I search for image to UI. So here it is. I just drag and drop. It is asking me to choose the image. So I just downloaded the image which I want to use. Right. So I just choose this patient dashboard. Okay. Now the image is here. I want to choose which model I want to use to generate this UI. So it's completely up to you which model you want to use. As of now, we are only seeing Claude AI because this is what is enabled. But let's say if OpenAI and DeepSeek and other models are enabled, you will see all of them, right? And I'll say generate. So now this is generating a dashboard for me using this particular image. So now it has generated some UI for me. Let's reload the page. So sometime it is able to understand if the image quality is good. If it is not that good, then it can happen that it may not be able to generate as it is, but you get an idea, right? So let's go and preview it. So this is here. It is not as good as it should be, but it is actually generated by AI. So you can basically refine it and use it as you want, right? Let's generate something else. So let's say right. So let's say I like this form and I need something like this, right? So I'll just go save image. Okay. This is a registration form. This is another form. So you need to make sure that if you choose a high resolution image, the quality will be good. You can also generate this through prompts, but yeah, it will give you an idea. Right. So let's say this is another form, right? So I just save both of these form and let's go and generate it from UI, right? So now let's go create a new page. I have this shortcut where I can create a new page. So let's say create the page. So we are here. Now I go to components, search from image to UI, drag and drop. Let's choose the image. So we have chosen this form, choose the model, and then generate. Okay, the form got generated and the form is here. So sometimes the css changes does not get applied immediately, so you can reload the builder because we store the css in the css section. Do not apply every css on the page so that your page loads faster, right? So now let's go and review these changes. So the patient form is here, and obviously it's generated from AI. You can bind this to your collection. You can actually create a collection from this form, for this form, and then you can continue from there. So this gives you a very good starting point where you, instead of building everything from scratch, you can take reference from wherever you want and then start building the UI from there. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.